Today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence with a showdown between two cutting-edge products, Google Gemini AI and ChatGPT 4. These AI solutions are revolutionizing various industries with their advanced capabilities. We'll explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives.
Let's take a quick look at these tools' key features. Google Gemini AI features include advanced natural language processing. Google Gemini AI boasts state-of-the-art natural language processing capabilities, allowing it to understand and respond to complex queries with ease. Deep learning algorithms. With powerful deep learning algorithms, Google Gemini AI continuously learns and improves its performance, ensuring accurate and relevant results. Multimodal capabilities. Google Gemini AI supports multiple input modalities, including text, images, and voice, making it versatile and adaptable to various use cases. Integration with Google services. Seamlessly integrates with other Google services, such as Google Cloud Platform and Google Workspace, enhancing its functionality. ChatGPT 4 features include next-generation conversational AI. ChatGPT 4 sets the benchmark for conversational AI, providing human-like interactions and understanding context with remarkable precision. Customizable responses. Users can fine-tune ChatGPT 4's responses to align with their brand voice and preferences, ensuring a personalized experience for users. Extensive knowledge base. With access to a vast knowledge base, ChatGPT 4 delivers informative and insightful responses across a wide range of topics. Improved performance. ChatGPT 4 exhibits enhanced performance in generating coherent and contextually relevant responses compared to its predecessors.
Google Gemini offers a flexible pricing structure based on usage. Google Gemini AI offers a flexible pricing structure based on usage, with a starting cost of $0.0035 per prediction. In contrast, ChatGPT 4 employs a subscription-based model, with plans ranging from $29 to $999 per month, depending on the features and usage tier selected. While Gemini AI charges per prediction, ChatGPT 4's pricing is based on monthly subscription, catering to different user needs and budget constraints. Additionally, ChatGPT 4's plans offer a broader range of features and support compared to the more specialized use case of Gemini AI, providing users with more flexibility in choosing a sustainable pricing plan for their requirements. When it comes to user experience, both products offer intuitive interfaces and seamless integration with existing workflows. However, Google Gemini AI's integration with Google's ecosystem provides users with additional convenience and accessibility, giving it a slight edge over ChatGPT 4 in terms of user experience. Google Gemini AI excels in its robust natural language processing capabilities and seamless integration with Google services. However, it may have limitations in customization compared to ChatGPT 4. On the other hand, ChatGPT 4 offers unparalleled conversational abilities and extensive knowledge, but may lack the deep integration found in Google Gemini AI.
For those seeking alternatives, other AI solutions in the market include OpenAI's GPT-3, IBM Watson, and Amazon Lex. Each of these alternatives offer unique features and capabilities, catering to different use cases and preferences.
Ultimately, the choice between Google Gemini AI and ChatGPT 4 depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you value robust natural language processing and seamless integration with Google services, Google Gemini AI may be the better option for you. However, if you prioritize conversational abilities and customization options, ChatGPT 4 could be the ideal choice. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Internet for more tips and insights on navigating the digital landscape. Thank you for watching.